face better, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Soap on it. And you put it all over your face. Right on your face. I can't figure out yeah. And because that doesn't clean my face. I got it all. And go ahead and give it a towel and wipe your face with it. And go around it's dirt. That's your face. Now, just wash it. Don't just do this and you're like, okay, I'm done. You're still soaping it. So you really wash it like very well. Nails, hairs, and stuff. And see, as you can see, there's still soap in there. See, so what you want to do is grab your sink with it, and then go ahead there we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and dry it. My face looks really weird because it moves very weird. Go with me and come on. I never want to go to puberty. So wash your face every night. You can do it every morning. Get up. You can do it every morning and day, depending. Okay, now how to keep your slime healthy. You see, I have some slime from my slime time video. This slime is pretty sticky. You can see, struggling. So as you can see, I dyed it blue. I don't think I ever showed you it purple. It used to be purple. I dyed it purplish. I guess it's really fun to play with. And if you want to keep it fun to play with, then you need to keep it healthy. So if your slime is hard, you can use lotion and water. If your slime is way too sticky, use contact solution or Tide. Do not use borax because, do not use borax. Because your slime will become sticky if you use borax and water. It will become stickier. Let's just say that. Okay. Now, see, my slime is a little bit hard, so I'm just going to add 2 sprays. See, if it depends how hard it is. So it's like solid rock hard. Then then like you need to add like at least like a cup of water, and it'll be all back to normal. With lotion, like with kind of hard slime with like hard bits in it, you only need 2 or 1 pumps. And then if you want to use lotion when it's hard, like solid rock hard, you're probably going to have to do 10 or 11 pumps of that. Or maybe, I've actually done this before. You can mix the water and the lotion and it'll work perfectly. If you want to do that with solid rock hard slime, you're going to need 10 squirts. And then with like hard slime with hard bits in it, 8 or, well, not 8, 4 or 3. I don't know my slime is very satisfying. It's really satisfying, which is weird. Yay! Okay, you can add gems to it, like a gem. I have one.
Why is it stuck on my delivery box?
I don't know. See, it's a pearl. I'm gonna go ahead and add it for another satisfying video. Probably gonna be next video. No, next video is in Tongue. Make it into a square. See? Boop. Can't get it back now. If you put beads in it and it feels like hard, it's probably the bead, or if you only put 1 bead in it and there's hard bits all over the place, it might be that it like exploded when you were playing with it and you smushed it too hard, or it's like it's going hard. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay. Go ahead and twist it. Okay. I will be doing a video, of this soon. The very first word it says is unicorns are real. Like, seriously, that's what it said. Okay, now it's time for me to go. Bye-bye.